Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be day 35. Yesterday, hopefully you did your assignment when you learned about physical changes. And again, just to review, when matter undergoes changes, it can be a physical or chemical change. And yesterday we focused on physical changes. So what that really means is that matter can undergo a change in size. It could be shape, it could be a form, it could be a state of matter. But the key about physical changes is that when the change actually happens before and after, it still remains the same substance. So I use the example of a paper towel. I ripped it, I folded it. It was still a paper towel. So that's still a physical change, again, because the identity of the substance remained the same. Today, you're going to do a quick little demonstration on your own. I'm sure everybody in your house has salt. All right. You probably have maybe something like this or a salt shaker. If you don't have salt, find sugar. And one of the properties, or not properties, but one of the examples of physical change that you're going to look at today and see is something called solubility, which is really when something dissolves. Now, I can take salt and, of course, I can put it into water. And if I do that like this, all right, the salt goes into water. You can see inside of the glass that the salt is at the bottom, but salt has the ability to dissolve in water, and we call that solubility. And to accelerate that process, I can just stir it up a little bit. So as I stir the salt, it appears to dissolve and also disappear. Now, a physical change, again, it may look like the salt disappeared or the sugar if you used it. You really can't see it inside there. It looks a little cloudy right now, but if you were to continue stirring it, it would look pretty clear. But because the salt changed physically, we can still get that back. So a lot of physical changes are reversible, meaning you can get back to the original substance. So I'm not going to tell you how you can get that salt back, but I want to just kind of challenge you to think about it. If that went through a physical change, and again, it means I can get that salt back, what could you do to that water? Or what could you do to that solution now to get that salt back? All right, because again, it looked like it disappeared, but it really didn't. It's just dissolved inside of the water. And there's a reason for that. But I want to challenge you to, again, think about how can you separate that mixture now and get that salt back out of the water. I'm going to leave a spot in your lesson today where you can explain how you can get that salt back. When you do that demonstration real quick at your house, again, use salt or sugar. All right, they both dissolve in water. Doesn't matter what you use. Go through the worksheet that's listed here, answer the questions, and that'll be what you're doing for today. Now, again, don't forget today at 12:30 bingo. All right, I heard from a few more of you today about your intention to play, which is great. I'm going to, in today's assignment, give you a link where you can go and get your bingo card. It's going to be all virtual. So I thought you were going to print out your cards, but actually you're going to be able to do it all on your computer or your phone. I'm going to give you a link that you click on, and that link is going to direct you directly to a new card. All right, directly. Yeah, that sounded weird, but you get what I'm saying. All right, and that card is what we'll use for the game today. So I will see you at 12:30. Email me if you have any questions or problems that come up, and hopefully you are able to do this successfully, and I'll see you all at 12:30. All right, look forward to seeing everybody. Take care.